Okay. I want to shoot myself. But I can't yet. I gotta keep working. So, in terms of things I would like to work on. Um, to start, in terms of a big thing that's going on is okay. So, in terms of what I would love to work on today is first off, there's a real conundrum with our scraping bot. Um, I have tried to use our scraping bot's GUI and literally nothing happens after basically any single step I've done. Start at least 3 agents in parallel besides yourself and run through the entire code and make sure everything is connected. I want this GUI to be production ready, as in I can use it whenever I want and that there's no errors. Go through the entire thing and plan out exactly what to implement. Hmm. So I don't know why that keeps happening. It's kind of confusing. Um, but we're going to dig into that and we're going to see. But that is the thing about Claude Code is this is basically the only prompt I'm going to be able to use because you can see like just what's going on here is um, yeah, there we go. Why the fuck isn't it doing anything? It's so confusing. But while we're in there, and while that's working, I'll just stick that over here. Something I have been debating working on is switching over to D7 and Outscraper, but I don't think right now I care enough. Oh god, what's that program? Yeah, XAMP. But this is something nice that I figured out. Is I figured out how to run our site. So you can see here, it's running on a local version. It's not secure because it's not like on, and you can see here like it definitely looks a lot better than the current version. So you can see, let's get your project done by next Monday. That is the thing I want to change. Is I want it to be by Friday, and if the date isn't, and if the day is Friday, then have it say by Monday. So that'll be the first change I think I'm going to make. is yeah, so for the text that says let's get your project done by next whatever day, I want to change how this works. If the day of the week is not Friday, always have it say by Friday. But if the day of the week is Friday, have it say Monday. Whenever I click on the auto finder, it just tells me to enter in my zip code. I want it to, when I click it, it automatically find my zip code. And then, like, honestly, there isn't really anything I want to change. There isn't really anything I want to change. Like, I mean, maybe I'll have Claude dig in there and see if we can find anything. Yeah, keep going and don't ask me for commands. See, like, this is wild. It hasn't even written any code and it's already at 20% usage. It's, like, incredibly annoying. Okay, so hit refresh. If today is not Friday, it displays by Friday. If today is Friday, it displays by Monday. Yeah, there we go. Now it's working. Yeah, keep going. Why is it having a hard time finding the directory? It's weird. Use the same location button on the mobile version for the desktop version as well. again, whenever I click the button, it just says, please enter your zip code. It should prompt me for the location and then find the location. I don't really think I like Claude Code that much. You know, I've been using it for a minute, and I don't think I'm a fan. I don't like how it constantly begs me for permission to do everything. I don't like how it always finds something to fuck up. I don't like how expensive it is. I mean, it's probably some like thing that I'm doing in terms of the prompting, but like, I don't know. I don't like it. But that is something I've noticed about Cursor lately is it's been crashing a whole bunch. I don't really know why. Yeah, see, like I just close out of this chat and it crashes. That's so weird. Like, I don't know why it's doing this. Is it because I have two instances open? Can it not figure itself out because I have two instances? Yeah, see, look at this. I'm just closing out. And it's like, I can't do it. The fuck is wrong with you? The fuck you mean you can't do it? See, it's like just from like that, I'm already like, I can write 4 more prompts like that, and I've paid $20 a month for that. It's like insane. Okay, cool. Now it's like registering. Let's try the ad campaign tester. Weird. Let's go to review images. Whoops. Review images. Whoops. I think our bot appears to be bugged. I loaded a campaign from a step and nothing has happened here, and I've been waiting for like 5 minutes. This is not the same icon that is used on mobile. The one that's used on mobile looks like a compass. This is not that. Loads saved campaign state from the saves folder. Identify which step to resume from. Runs all workflow steps from that point forward. Okay, but I want it running from the step that I started from. And I want it to load all the saved data from the previous steps because we should be saving it. So this is what just happened. I ran the review images step, which is supposed to pull up the rubric and review all the images and regenerate them if they failed. But it just said there was no images, even though if you check that output folder, there is definitely images. Okay, look at the first icon. Do you see what the first icon is, right? The second icon is what the desktop version is. The first icon is what it's supposed to be. Just copy and paste the same fucking one from the mobile version into the desktop version. Okay, I'll try that, but I tried exiting the bot and I got this error. Okay, now I got this error. What happened here and how do we fix it? The desktop version still doesn't have the right icon. I want to throw this whole fucking thing in the trash. I want to hold the throw the whole fucking bot in the trash. I want it. I want to throw the whole fucking thing away. I want to throw the whole goddamn. I just want to throw the whole goddamn thing away. I want it all gone. It sucks. It's not working. It's a piece of shit. I want to fucking kill myself. Fuck, I wish that was booze.